Hello and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Those of you that come back time and time again to sit through my videos, I don't know, you guys just mean a lot to me, and so thank you. And also there is a giveaway going on right now that is linked down below. Please sign up, or have your friends sign up. Today I have for you Therabox, and this is one of my favorite boxes. This is a relaxation, meditation, all around sort of a box, well-rounded sort of a box. I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen, but open it up and this is what we see. And oh, I got 2 magazines. Interesting. So the magazine or the booklet does tell you the products in it, how much they cost. It must have just been a little fluke that I got 2 of them because they're exactly the same. But has a little sticker that says, "I wish you every happiness." I don't know if you can see that or not. This box is feeling a little light from the typical, but let's see what's in here. Okay. So the first thing I am pulling out is hair nectar, and I am going to leave that sealed. It's calendula and argan oil, and I'm assuming it's just like a leave-in oil treatment for your hair. That's cool. I will definitely use it, and that retails for $18. The next thing I am pulling out is Pearl Bar, and it is a cognac charcoal facial sponge. That's kind of cool. It looks like that. I will keep it in here just because I'm assuming, I mean, it does have like a fresh safety seal sort of a thing. So I'm just assuming that maybe you can reuse it and reuse it. But let's see, this retails for $12.95. For a sustainable, vegan-friendly beauty vibe. Pearl Bar's cognac and charcoal facial sponge might just be your skincare routine game changer. An under-the-radar essential-based sponge is made from natural cognac root and activated charcoal, and is a much gentler way to exfoliate dead or dry skin. Okay, that's cool. I'm down. Next is Self-Love Sticker Book. Self-care when you have ... So self-care when you have activity sticker book. It retails for $8.95, and I'm not going to open it up. I probably will just pass this along to my daughter, but it is sealed. But I'm just assuming it has little self-care stickers to remind you to do certain things. I don't know. I don't want to open that. The next thing I am pulling out is this Next Stop Hydration Station fingernail mask. That's interesting. And this retails for $5. If sheet masks and eye patches are frequent flyers in your at-home beauty regimen, then this soothing treatment that protects and repairs your nails from splitting and peeling. That's cool. I am interested in trying that for sure. The next thing I am pulling out is assorted tea sampler. Oops. There we go. And there are 5 selected teas, single serve, turmeric spiced herbal, India's original chai. That sounds really good. Chamomile mint citrus green. Ooh, that sounds really good. Organic Himalayan green, and I can't pronounce that, summer black. Darjeeling, maybe? All of those sound, I mean, I don't know what the heck that last one is, but the rest of those sound really, really good. And that retails for $4.99. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out is a serum. Face Serum Brightening. Nice. And this oh, there it is. And this retails for $37.50. So I'm gonna leave it in its packaging. That's cool. I may keep it, I may pass it along. I have so many things in my regimen right now, and I don't know, I just think that something like this might be better served thrown in the giveaway or whatnot. I just have so much stuff going on right now with face care and hair care. It's a little crazy. The next thing I am pulling out is a nail polish by Kinks. That's a pretty color. And that retails for $12. I do think that that is a really pretty fall color. The next thing I am pulling out is Mini Mo Glow Turmeric Skin Brightening Facial Scrub. Ooh, nice. And that retails for $13.95. Again, I have so many things going on right now. I will leave that sealed. And the last thing I am pulling out is by Larizzi Cosmetics, and it is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in rouge, and it retails for $20. And the color name is Victress. I will open it up to give you guys a peek, but I'm not going to swatch it because I think it would be better served for somebody else, so I will just toss it in the giveaway. But that is a really pretty fall color. It's really pretty. Okay, you guys, so that was Therabox. There wasn't anything for the bath this month, which is a little different, but that's okay. I mean, I don't mind. I mean, I really like it when they throw bath stuff in there, but this was a really good box. A lot of skincare and hair care and nail care and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I need to get ready for date night. It is getting a little late in the evening, so or in the afternoon. It's late for me, 3 p.m. It's a little after 3 p.m. I've got to start getting ready. All right, you guys, I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the rest of your weekend. I have no idea when this will go up though, so enjoy your day, week, weekend, whatever. All right. Bye.